So today we are making our simple facial bar soap. We have our oils from Rose. This is olive oil plus tallow, and I'll let you know the individual quantities. And we have our caustic soda pre-measured here. We have our milk, oatmeal, and black seed so here. Our fragrance oil is here. We have our distilled water here. Set of gloves and a cup. But actually, I'm having my gloves on, so I won't be using it. And bowls that I'll be pouring my um, soap in. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to open my water. Everything is pre-measured, so just going to pour everything in there. Push it aside. Get my soda. And I slowly add it to the water. So since we've added everything, we are going to push this away a bit. We are going to put it somewhere. We will stir it every 5 minutes. So I'm hoping by 10-15 minutes it will be at room temperature. It will be at 50 degrees Celsius. So now we move on to our oil. It's melted down. It's at room temperature. So first, we are going to add our powders to the oil. We mix it in. Make sure everything gets mixed in well. Okay, so now we've mixed everything. This our lye solution is at room temperature too. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to line up my molds or the stuffs that will keep my soap in so that I will just be ready. Let me open my fragrance oil so that I'll also be ready to pour. So now you have to pour our lye solution into our oils. We have to stir to make sure everything gets well incorporated. If you are using a stick blender, this can be done easily, but I'm using a spoon, so it will take some time, but still it all works. Okay, so now that everything is well mixed in, you are going to add our last ingredient. That's our fragrance oil, but it's optional. If you don't want to use fragrance to it, okay, you can choose to use fragrance, essential oil, whatever works for you, but still you have to know the safe rate. Okay, so now we add trace. We can actually pour our soap right now. So after that, we have to tap it on the surface in case there are any bubbles trapped under. All right. So this is our beautiful facial soap. So easy to make, so simple to make, and we will give it 24 hours to harden. Then we take it out of the molds. Then we cure it for additional 3-4 weeks. Then our soap will be safe and ready to use. Thank you.